Hello everyone, it's our limitless self here again for another video. A lesson from nature. The sun is always going to come out again. Like, no matter how cloudy, how stormy it is outside, the sun's always going to come out again. The sun's always going to come out again. You know, lesson from nature. Yesterday, the past 2 or 3 days, it was very stormy. You know, it was very stormy here. It was stormy like all night, and then the sun came out. And then it was stormy again that afternoon, and then the sun came out, you know. But sometimes it's cloudy for many days. But lo and behold, the sun comes out again. You know, it's so simple, this lesson from nature. But basically, you know, in whatever it is in your life, the more positive side of things and the, you know, more freedom, fulfillment, blissful, peaceful side of things are all gonna come out eventually. And it's all gonna come out, you know. And when it's stormy, usually after the storm, that's when it's most beautiful, you know. The sun's so beautiful, you know. You know, it's so simple, this lesson from nature, but so crucial to know. No matter what, you're gonna find yourself. No matter what, you're gonna find the truth. No matter what. If you keep doing what you know is right, you're gonna keep pursuing the truth. You're gonna keep finding the truth. You're gonna keep finding yourself. You're gonna keep living healthier. You're gonna keep learning. No matter the downsides, the positive sides are gonna keep coming. It's our limitless self. I thank you all for watching. Much love. As always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. You know, the sun's always gonna come out again, no matter how stormy it is. It's so simple, this lesson from nature, but you could physically see it in nature. So beautiful.